Welcome to Da Nang, welcome to Soncha, and those high-rises here. We have the Windham Soleil over there. We have Futa residences here, a la carte, and a lot of more hotels. Also Chickland is here. Lots of you like Chickland. We're gonna take a stroll now into this direction. So we're gonna explore a little bit what's new here in Soncha. Let's go. First we have to survive. All right, he gave me a nod. This car wanted to drive me over, all right. But hey, we made it to Futa residences. I think they're open now. You could actually rent here or buy here. Very interesting place. Very interesting. They have a pool up there, gym, nice beach view. I will look into that. I will tell them to show me some rooms. Or find a guy who's a real estate guy. I really want to see it. And I will show you. We are here at the a la carte. That's where we're gonna go walk. I actually also want to see if there's some new places. Sometimes they're opening up new places left and right. There are some nice places here, some nice coffee shops, just like in the Antung area. So basically you have pretty much everything here. You also have some nice Korean barbecue places, restaurants, everything, spas. So I guess this is another entrance to Futa residences. I guess this is this tower here. Huh. But that's not on the beachfront anymore. But I guess you still have a little bit of a beach view, maybe. Buy some fruits here at the vendors. Durian. This is a very busy street as well. Lots of restaurants and everything like that. A lot of people walking to the beach right now, so that's why it's very busy. Everything around sunset time is always very busy. Somewhere here is also a very... Hello. No, thank you. Yeah, it's very hectic here. It's gonna be a new restaurant here. But this is, I tried this one out one time. Meat, banh mi's and coffees. I feel like this is the version of banh mi just here in Soncha. Very similar banh mi's over there. The seafood restaurant here? Yeah. Very busy and stressful to walk on this pavement here. Oh, interesting. So there was an open door restaurant, like I think a seafood restaurant or something like that. Now they're completely, gutted it out. I don't think they're gonna demolish the building because they're gonna probably use everything what's left and build on it or do something completely different. And there's this huge building with probably a lot of restaurants in there. Probably all for bus groups. Look at this, how many floors. It's all restaurants, no living there. Also very chaotic here, this intersection. We have the lighthouse over there, very popular. And this whole street, I would call it Little Korea. I feel like this the most Korean restaurants or places are there. A lot of Korean establishments there. A lot of Korean signs and everything. What is the name? I forgot. Hoa Q Massage. Massage VIP. Guys, only for VIPs. There's also this one very popular hotel that looks a little bit like the M Hotel, just in a smaller version, the Legend Hotel. 24/7 Mi Quang. If that would be true, I really like it. 24/7 eating Mi Quang. Nice. Yeah, there we go. It looks like the M Hotel, right? Just in a small version. I filmed it also. It really looks like it a little bit. Noni. Ooh. Interesting. Ban Hoi. Oh, look at this. It looks so, yeah. It looks good. Sticky rice. Interesting. It looks good. And it's very affordable. This street is also home of probably my favorite pho place here. Oh, and I had that on my food review one time. It's frog Mi Quang. Whenever you see the ECH, it's frog. Frog Mi Quang. I absolutely don't like it. I don't like the bones in there. Very annoying. Oh, interesting. Ban Chang Thit Heo. It's like pork belly and these nice bun, these rice wraps. It's basically the same thing they sell on Donald Chung. And Bonnet they have as well. I'm gonna try it out. I just don't eat so much pork belly anymore. But look at this beautiful, immaculate pavement here. Wide, nice. Just a little bit gravel. But I think they're gonna be done very soon too, right? Or? What do you think? I mean, looks like nothing gonna happen here, but looks pretty stylish. Jimbang Spa Massage. That's a spa only? That's crazy. Dance Music Lounge. Super sketchy. I like that. Whenever there's closed door and everything dark, who knows what's happening there. Single hot pot. So for all my singles out there, there we go. That's a hot pot for you. Wow, very, very affordable coffee here. 50-cent coffee. Then we have a kangaroo bar for my Aussies here. Indian restaurant. And then we have a big construction site here. It looks like it's going to be done soon. At this hotel or apartment building, who knows? Bansea. I feel like this is the same place that is also in the Antung area. I don't know. I'm a little bit disappointed. This AI nonsense makes me a little bit sad. Every sign everywhere looks the same, guys. I'd rather have it a little bit, how would I say it, a little bit wrong and a little bit trashy than have it all perfect in AI, right? But that's it for Thin here. This location in particular, super good, super good. If you're starting out with eating Vietnamese food, just go here. It's very good. Thai food and beer. Hook. Interesting, that's new. There's also a super stylish coffee shop here. More Mi Quang places. Khao Lao. That's very rare. It's usually only in Hanoi, Hoi An. Look at the name, Fluff Bridge. Funny, right? This is what I want. This is what I want. I want wrong things. That makes you, you know, it's like, it feels, yeah, it feels right. It feels right. They don't care about if it's rightly spelled. And they did it themselves, and it's not AI. Don't get me wrong, I'm not an AI hater. But those pictures are just so soulless. Öztürk, very delicious kebab, super small in size. Always makes me angry, but it's still very good. So if you don't eat a lot, it's probably going to be the best kebab here. Very delicious. But I think I ordered it once. I paid $6 or $8 or something. $8 maybe. For a very small portion. Small. It's almost like if you have this small size in Germany, it's probably going to be too, it's not going to happen. So, yeah. But it's good. Should try it out anyways. There we go. Now we see the beach again here. And let's have a look what's going on in this street. So we have a nice little block tour here. There should be also a co-working space somewhere here. I think in the Waikiki Hotel. I don't know where the Waikiki Hotel is now. Oh, there we go. There we have it. I think it's still there. There we are. So in this hotel, Waikiki Beach Hotel, you also have a sea view co-working space. So kind of good if you want to do a, I guess, low cost workation. But to be honest, if you do a workation and you have a small team of 10 people or so, I would maybe go for a big villa with 10 bedrooms. I mean, that's a little bit rare. Maybe 8. No, you don't need 8 bed. No, you need 8 bedrooms because they are usually not couples. So everyone has to have their own room. But there are some good options. There are some good options here. 4 workations actually. I think David did it great with his hacker thing. They did it great, but I also filmed some very nice places that are actually well priced. If you have all the rooms taken, you can have a very nice place with workspace and everything like that, with a pool and everything. Yeah, this is very popular here, also with domestic tourists staying here in this neighborhood. Lots of seafood places here. More seafood places here than at our neighborhood, in the Antung area. You have here a lot of tobacco pipes. Lots of tobacco pipes. Over there as well. It's usually a morning thing. Strong coffee and a hit from the hardcore tobacco. Don't be shy if you really want to try it. Vietnamese love doing this with foreigners. So some of the foreigners faint and pass out, and then they laugh. Yeah, those videos always go viral on Vietnamese TikTok. But be aware, it's very, very strong, and it feels like you having a shisha non-stop smoking 5 minutes on it, you know, like very strongly, sucking all the air out. Wow. The other day I went on Facebook and there was a Vietnamese, maybe it's someone who has a following, an old Vietnamese dude. uncle, I don't know, 60, something like that. And he made a photo about this place here, and he said, Da Nang is getting full of trash. This is what his words were, and he had so many, a lot of views on that post. And I think he made a photo on that. So it went viral, but still, no one fixed it. It looks really pathetic. And if you have this kind of trash, you should have a nice fence around it. What does this say? Maybe this is a fine if you throw trash on it. Let's see. So if you're also wondering sometimes Vietnamese language, you can just use Google Lens and then do it like that. Okay. So yeah, okay. So they have a big sign here. If you litter, it's 1 million to 5 million dong even. Yeah. So I don't know if it worked out, dude. This is for example a fresh piece of trash, right? This is the typical thing I always see. A big plastic place with a lot of ice in there. Yeah, this is the usual thing. Then you have all the uncle cigarettes here. But at least we have big signs where it says that you're gonna have a big fine if you litter. But here now it also comes a very smelly area here. It smells like, yeah, very bad. So I guess there's even more trash behind this spray painted, yeah. Think about it. Look how bad it looks here, and then you have $1 million condos selling over here. I wish I would have saved the post from the guy. He did a very nice, whatever he said, everyone was like agreeing with it. It was all in Vietnamese, but Facebook translated it very well. So I always wanted to go here and check if it's really that bad, but it is really that bad. Let's go over again. The other day there was an Earth Day, and we filmed a little bit of the Radisson. They went with 20 staff people, went on the beach and picked up trash. I feel like if all the hotels do this here, on that place one time, it would be also done. You only need 1,000 people to clean up this whole area. And it takes maybe 2 hours for 1,000 people. That's not that bad. The problem is, it's going to be clean, and in 1 month it's going to be full of trash again. So it's like basically you cannot do it right away. Yep. So those are the participants of the International Fireworks Festival this year. Germany is there too. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next walk.